Greetings everyone, and welcome to the KT Universe channel. In today's video, we'll be delving into the unboxing experience of the Zebronics Zeb Jaguar wireless mouse, as well as providing our initial impressions. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the contents of the outer box. At the top, you'll immediately notice the prominent Zebronics logo, the model name, and the mouse's color variant. The key specifications include a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, a convenient nano receiver, whisper-quiet operation, and a comfortable and ergonomic design. Turning our attention to the side, you'll find a variety of color options. In my case, I've chosen the light blue-gray combination. But you can also opt for white-gray or black-gray. Flipping to the back of the box, you'll discover additional features such as high precision, a handy power on-off switch, lightweight construction, 4 customizable buttons, 3 levels of DPI modes, and the ever-convenient plug and play option. On another side, you can spot the USB nano receiver tucked inside. It's worth noting an important detail: batteries are not included. Now, let's unravel the box and uncover its contents. Inside, you'll find the mouse securely nestled within a protective plastic casing. Upon removing the mouse, you'll also discover the nano receiver. No batteries are included in the package. You'll need to purchase 2 AA batteries separately. The color scheme, in my case, is simply stunning when compared to the more common black and white variants. The nano receiver boasts a clean white design without any overt branding, and I must say, I'm genuinely impressed with the exceptional build quality. The buttons on this mouse are incredibly smooth and offer a satisfyingly fast click. The middle scroll wheel serves a dual purpose, both scrolling and clickable functions. Its size is perfectly designed for a comfortable grip, making it highly practical and easy to handle. You'll also notice the Zebronics brand logo tastefully placed on the device. And for those of you who appreciate the satisfying clicky sound, we've recorded it up close for your enjoyment. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for joining us on this unboxing and first impression journey of the Zebronics Zeb Jaguar wireless mouse. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content from the KT Universe.